We are celebrating the 60th anniversary of the Treaty of Rome, and we in the IFA family believe that these past 6 decades have been a success in many senses. And we also do believe that we have been part of this success because Europe wouldn't be one, Europe wouldn't be complete without the voice of the stateless nations, without the voice of the historic regions, without the voice of every people, every European people. And we give the voice to these realities, to the existing diversity of Europe, and we believe we have contributed to the success of this ongoing project of European integration. So as we have contributed to shape the past of the European Union, we are willing to continue being protagonists of the coming years of the European integration, giving the voice and giving the choice to stateless nations, historic regions, and all the diverse reality, culturally, linguistically existing in our Union.